These abandoned theme AI videos are exploding right now, pulling in millions of views, and creators are making real money from them. Just look at this channel. It has uploaded only 35 videos, yet it already has over 200,000 followers. No scripting, no complex scenes, no heavy editing. Everything is simple, but the views are not, because almost every single video is hitting millions of views. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to create viral abandoned theme AI shorts in just a few minutes. So, let's get straight into it. Alright, now let's actually start creating these videos the easy and correct way. First, go to any account that's already posting this type of content and take a screenshot of a frame you like from one of their videos. Once you have that, open Google Gemini and upload the image you just captured. After uploading it, click on Create Image, then paste the prompt I gave you below. Inside the brackets in that prompt, just type what you want. For example, I'll type, change the character from Shifu to Po, Kung Fu Panda, and then press Enter. In a few seconds, you'll get a result like this. If it looks good, download it. And if you want to change things like the colors, lighting, or style, just tell Gemini what to fix and generate it again. Now, one important thing, a video is not made from just one image. To make it look real and dynamic, we need multiple angles. So, go back to Gemini and ask it to generate the same scene from a side angle. Then do the same for a close-up detailed shot, a profile view, and a wide-angle shot. Once you do this, you'll have several images of the same scene, but from different perspectives, and this is what makes the final video look smooth and professional. Now that we have all the images ready, let's move on to the next step and add motion to them. So now let's actually turn your images into real videos. First, come to the Google VO website and create a new project. Once you're inside, click on Text to Video, then choose Frames to Video. This is where the magic happens. Click on the first plus icon and upload the first image you generated. This will be your first frame. Now, in the prompt box, type this exactly. Add floating dust particles, shifting shadows, and slight zoom. These three effects are what make the scene feel alive instead of flat. After that, adjust the settings if you want, then press Enter. In a few seconds, Google VO will generate your video from that single image. Here's the result I got. Let me play it so you can see. As you can see, the video looks clean, smooth, and cinematic, even though we only used one image. Now just click on the download icon and save it to your computer. You'll repeat this exact same process for every image you created earlier. Now, this part is very important. A big mistake most beginners make is they take these AI-generated videos and upload them straight to YouTube. That's exactly what you should not do. Instead, you need to add a small human touch so the video feels more natural and more engaging. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do next, using the same simple editing process I use.